What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video because we are trying something new. Today I tried out the Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. This is my first ColourPop experience. I have not tried anything by them. It just looks like this. I know you've all seen it. I am late to the game as per usual. It's fine. I like to make my informed decisions about my purchases. I'm gonna buy it. Just gonna be late. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that'll continue on to the next part of the video. Just kidding. But hit the subscribe button and the like button for your girl and just keep watching. So I'm gonna jump in with this peachy transition shade called Magical, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. This is just my Morphe M441 brush. Next I'm taking Shooting Star and I'm also putting that in my crease. Just going to take that on my Morphe M513 brush. Taking the shade Potion, and that's just going to be on my Morphe M433 brush. I'm just going to put that kind of in the crease and more on the outer corner. This one's so pigmented. Just gonna take that Morphe M513 brush and use that second transition shade just to blend everything out. On my Mix Set E310 brush, I'm gonna take the shade Elfish and focus that on my inner corner. I said inner corner, I meant outer corner. I'm going to take the shade Water Bear and work that into my outer corner as well. This is my Mikasa 230 brush. To blend that out, I'm going back in with Potion on my Morphe M433 brush again, just to blend the tops of that. I'm so impressed with these matte shades so far. Unbelievable. For $16, this is great. Basically drugstore price for a whole palette, and then it's really pigmented. There's like an inkling of fallout, but it's really not much. On my Ulta little shadow flat brush, I'm going to take the shade Mermaid Boy. And I'm just going to put that on the middle of my lid.
This is our identity.
For the main lid color, I'm going to take the shade Kaleidoscope. This is the shade that really calls my name in this palette, so I'm really excited about this. It's almost like an iridescent blue-brown, but more blue, like icy blue. I don't know, I've never seen a color like it. I have been spraying these shadows, these shimmer shadows. Going back into the teal shade Water Bear, and we're gonna just deepen up that outer corner one more time using my Mikasa E320 brush. Oh my god, this is like my new favorite palette. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna draw on my wing with my NYX matte liquid liner. Taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer all over my face, and in my T-zone I'm going to take the regular Photo Finish Primer. You ever just hit your nose ring just right and it just stabs your brain? For foundation, I'm going in with my Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. Love this foundation. I haven't been using it for a while and I don't know why. I do know why, because I got real pale. I sat out in the sun for one day and now I can wear my Smashbox Photo Finish foundation. Just going to use my beauty blender to blend that out. I love this foundation so much. I don't know why I ever quit using it. I do that though. I'll quit using something that really works just because I want something new. I always go back every time. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I think I'm going to mix in a little bit of the Wet n Wild Concealer just because it's a little bit darker.
The glitch in your eyes pulled me under. But I will wait for you.
I love this foundation with this concealer too, especially in the summertime. I'm gonna blend that in using my Morphe Y9 brush. My camera quits recording at the worst times. Literally, I just put all these cream products in my face, and you know it's gonna crease because I hadn't said it yet. Set all of that, I'm going in with my number 7 translucent powder. I'm really sad because I'm almost out of it and they don't sell it at Target anymore. Why? Because it's my favorite. That's why. Because I love it so much. I don't think I mentioned this, but I use my Mikasa F120 brush to do that. My favorite brush ever. So to set that bronzer, going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and my Urban Studios blush brush as always.
The bitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you.
On that same brush, I'm just going to take my Milani Luminoso, the world's perfect blush. I'm going to take the First Aid Beauty Mango Butter Multi-Stick. This is a cream highlight in the shade Champagne. And I just take it on my finger and just dab it. And to set that on my Morphe M510 brush, I'm going to take my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. It almost doesn't look like a highlighter, but it actually is. It's not like your typical blinding highlight, but it's a nice, like, you have highlight. But it's not like overbearing. I know a lot of us like overbearing highlight, but I like it. And then I go out into the world and I feel like people are just like, what is on your face? Oh, you didn't like my highlight? You can't ask people that. I'm going to take my Anastasia contour kit and take these two lightest shades on my Morphe M530 brush and just deepen up my cheekbones and my temples a little bit. when you have that bronzer on, you're like, oh, you don't need any more, but then the day happens and it's all gone by the end of the day. And contour is literally my favorite part of makeup, so I'm gonna make sure it stays. Just gonna spray my face before I do anything else with my eyes. This is my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm gonna jump back into the palette for my eyes, and I think I'm going to take the shade Shooting Star again and put that on my lower lash line to smoke it out. I think I'm going to use my Morphe M514 brush.
What you gonna do?
On my little Morphe E36 brush, I'm going to take the shade Potion one more time and also put that on my lower lash line, but closer to the actual lashes. Then on my Sonia Cash Hook number 31 little tiny pencil brush, I'm going to take that teal shade Water Bearer and just put that on the very, very outer corner of my lower lash.
I can only say that it feels right, it feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
I went ahead and put on my mascara. For the top, I used my Voluminous Lash Paradise, and for the bottom, I used my Wet n Wild Mega Length. And now I'm going to go back into my palette and take the shade Moony. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with it.
So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut.
For lips, I'm going to use my NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Nude, and then I'm going to take my two Anastasia liquid lipsticks. One is in the shade Pure Hollywood and one is in the shade Milkshake. I'm just going to put the Pure Hollywood on and then kind of lighten it with the Milkshake afterwards.
I ain't gotta say a word. I know what's up. You can have it all. Watch me rip it off. I'll admit it. You got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one. I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging. We going come harder. I can see you and I way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words.
So this is the finished look, and I am so shocked by this palette. This whole palette has 12 shadows in it, and literally all of them that I used today were so pigmented, and I was really shocked, honestly. I thought there's no way this is not gonna be as pigmented. I was like shooting it down in my mind, but this thing is a keeper. I'm probably gonna be using this every single day. I'm excited to do a different look with it and like use the more warm shades rather than the cool shades, but I am really liking how this turned out. If you want to see me do another look with this palette, I can definitely do that. Just let me know down below in the comments. I'm super excited with how this turned out. This was a great first impression of this palette. Kathleen Lights, I love you. You did a good job. Congratulations, because you just made a new favorite for me. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button to help your girl grow. And I will see you guys in my next one.